So the question is, how do we make the road transportation so special and so different from the other means of transportation? So road transportation is very, very important. In fact, it is very, very, very crucial when it comes to transportation of goods and services. And so, when we talk about vehicle, vehicle is very, very crucial when it comes to road transportation. Vehicle is very, very crucial because that is the major means. The major means we use these vehicles to convey goods and services from one point to another. So, what do we do so that as uh, as we move from one point to another, as we convey goods and services from one point to another, those goods and services and human beings or passengers are conveyed or are carried from one point to another, it will be very, very convenient that uh, people will not be afraid, will not be uncomfortable to use the road transportation system or the road transport system. People will be free, people will be happy, people will enjoy. You see, so the road transportation system will actually boom, will actually progress and become successful.